Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 3.2% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the oil rise 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold held its biggest decline in 2 weeks after strong US jobs growth tempered recession fears, suggesting the Federal Reserve is likely to persist with steep interest rate hikes to curb inflation. The dollar edged lower in thin summer trading, with market participants in wait-and-see mode, ahead of key inflation figures that could shed more light on how aggressive the Federal Reserve might be in its expected interest rate hike in September. Vespine Energy, a Berkeley, California-based company that converts methane gas released from landfills into power for Bitcoin mining, closed a $4.3 million funding round led by blockchain investment firm Polychain Capital and other climate-focused funds.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's RICS housing price balance will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. Germany's Consumer Price Index at 0600 hours GMT. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output at 0500 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.